Game 1 of IPL 2025 and it's going to be a cracker of a game. Royal Challengers Bangalore taking on Kolkata Knight Riders. Let's take a look at the head-to-head record of both teams. Kolkata Knight Riders is ahead with 20 wins compared to 14 wins of Royal Challengers Bangalore. चलिए अब नजर डालते हैं दोनों टीमों पर। सबसे पहले कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स प्लेइंग 11 बहुत सॉर्टेड है, कोई खास सरप्राइजेस है नहीं, बट शायद स्पेंसर जॉनसन और नॉर्किया में से कौन खेलेगा दैट विल बी समथिंग वील हैव टू कीप एन आई ऑन। अदर देन दैट बहुत बैलेंस टीम लग रही है ऑन पेपर। रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर की टीम बहुत न्यू टीम है, सो देयर कैन बी सरप्राइजेस। इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी विराट कोहली कहाँ खेलते हैं। इफ यू आस्क मी, आई होप ही प्लेज एट 1 डाउन एंड रजत पाटीदार एट 2 डाउन। इट विल गिव देम द डेप्थ दैट दे नीड। अदरवाइज जो सारे बैट्समैन हैं दे आर ऑल अटैकिंग ऑप्शंस एंड इट कैन अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर देम। बट 4 ओवरसीज प्लेयर जो खेलेंगे मेरे हिसाब से इट विल बी फिल सॉल्ट, लियम लिविंगस्टन, हिटर इन टिम डेविड एंड either Nuwan Thusara or Josh Hazelwood as a outright fast bowler. Both the teams are going with their strength. Let's talk about the key matchups. For Royal Challengers Bangalore, Virat Kohli as always would be the key. He'll have to play a long game, play as a second fiddle to all the attacking batsmen around him. And for Rajat Patidar, attack is the best form of defense. He is a great 6-hitter, especially on small ground like Eden Gardens. If he can take on Varun Chakravarti and Sunil Narine, it will do wonders to his captaincy confidence as well as his team's chances of winning. So that'll be a great matchup and interesting one to keep an eye on. For Kolkata Knight Riders, as soon as Virat Kohli comes, bring Sunil Narine. He struggles against Sunil Narine and it's obvious. On the other hand, I do get an intuition and a gut that it might be a day for Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Bhuvneshwar Kumar does really well when the ball is swinging and it always swings under the lights in Eden Garden. So that is going to be something that Kolkata Knight Riders will have to be wary about. Now if you ask me for my prediction, I am predicting Kolkata Knight Riders to win just because they are a well-settled team. They have the confidence that they need to win this game. Let me know in the comments who do you think will win and let me know the man of the match predictions as well. And if you like my content, please like this video and please follow my channel Calling the Shot.